Hello and welcome to Mann's Model Moments. So here we are, the day before opening. We are not quite ready yet. I've still got the displays to work out, still got some cleaning to do, but see, all of that needs cleaning up, displays need sorting, but other than that, this is pretty much how the shop is going to be. Obviously, I'll build up stock as time goes on. We have the Mann's Model Moments bibs or aprons, t-shirts. These are all display pieces that go in the window. Got paints. .48 scale, bigger scale aircraft. Across here, on 72nd scale aircraft, vehicles, cars. Coming up here, we've got 35th scale and larger AFVs and armour. Some Tamiya weathering bits that really go along with that kind of stuff. Second-hand section, pretty empty at the moment. And collector's section, and that's because I want to check what I'm selling before I actually put it on the shelves. So that's why that's currently pretty empty. See, signage is up. I still have to put a second coat on the door, but it's not really that important for opening. Got our step, actually a little bit of a ramp. Warning tape. There'll also be a couple of signs saying mind the step each side, plus the one at the top, so hopefully people won't trip up. And that is pretty much where I'm at. Point of sale is all ready. Got all my Tamiya paints, paintbrushes, texture paint, thinner, all that kind of good stuff. Those are just coaxial cables, don't worry about those. So, kind of ready for tomorrow. We'll see how things go. And hopefully, see you guys here. So this is the end of the first day of training. You can see we're all set. See, I did manage to get some of the second-hand kits sorted out. And we've had a fair few customers in today, which I'm very happy with. Still got the displays to sort out properly. But all in all, not a bad day. Looking forward to seeing what next week brings. That's all for this instalment of Mann's Model Moments. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel for more like it, and share this video with others you think would also enjoy it. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and if you're feeling generous, then I also have a Patreon, which is absolutely the best way of helping me to grow the channel and produce more content like this. With that,
I hope you have plenty of modelling moments of your own, and I look forward to welcoming you on the next video.